Hi guys! Today we're diving into something really cool. We're going to test our charger adapter to see if it's fully compatible with an original DeWalt battery. First, we plug our adapter directly into the DeWalt battery, and right away, we can see the battery level indicator showing 79% remaining. So far, so good. Next, we connect a Type-C charging cable to the adapter's input port. Once connected, the charging light comes on, confirming that charging is in progress. Yes, our charger adapter is not just compatible. It charges the DeWalt battery smoothly and safely. But here's the coolest part. Our adapter doesn't just take power in, it can also give power out. Using the built-in USB output, we can easily charge a smartphone. And as you can see, it's charging successfully. Need more power? No problem. You can even charge your laptop using the same adapter. One adapter. Charge tools, phones, even your computer. It's compact, powerful, and super versatile. The perfect tool for work and on-the-go charging.